Hi, this is Mr. Freemium from Mr. Fremium Tech. Today, I'm going to show you how you can officially get 3 months of ElevenLabs for free. Now, you'll find all the valuable information related to this video on my Telegram channel. I'll also share tips and tricks there, so don't miss out. Alright, let's get started. First, visit the aiengineering.com website from ElevenLabs. From here, you can claim your free 3-month subscription. However, keep in mind that you'll need an old GitHub account for this. A fresh account may or may not work. So make sure you're logged into your old GitHub account on the GitHub website. Once you're all set, head back to the aiengineering.com website. Click on the Sign in to Claim button and continue by signing in with your GitHub account. Next, complete your profile by verifying your mobile number. Once that's done, scroll down and you'll see a variety of free offers available. Now, we're interested in the free 3-month redemption option for ElevenLabs. So, click on this redeem option. As you can see, the 3-month promo code will be applied automatically. Next, to claim this offer, you'll need to sign into ElevenLabs. If you don't have an account, no worries. I'm going to create a new account myself, so follow me. Now it's time to verify my email address. Once completed, I will simply log into the ElevenLabs website with my account information. Once you're logged in, click on the My Account option, then go to Upgrade. Choose the starter plan and click Subscribe. On the billing page, you'll see that your 3-month coupon code has been successfully applied. Finally, just enter your debit or credit card information and click Subscribe. And that's it. That's how you can get 3 months of ElevenLabs for free. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.